Mine! No, it's mine! Give it to me! No, mine! Oh no! Look what happened! It's broken! It's not fun playing alone and the toy won't even work. I'm sorry. I should have shared with you.
Don't cry, kids. If you promise to share, I can fix this for you. Do you promise to play nicely together?
We promise. We want to play together.
1, 2, 3, magic! Just like new!
Wow! It works! This is so much better!
You got it! Remember, kids, sharing is caring. No more fighting, okay? Do you like sharing your toys?
Watch what happens next!